three Cuban detainees have to wait at least another 2 weeks in detention in order to determine if their request for release is granted.
The men have been at the center of contention between Cuban exile groups and the government over the last few weeks after claiming abuse of detainees at the detention center.
It's an allegation Bahamian officials continue to deny. Our Andrew Knowles was in court today and has the details.
3 Cuban detainees got their day before a Supreme Court judge Thursday morning. Mauricio Valdez, Randy Rodriguez, and Pedro Parado appeared before Justice Carolita Bethel after filing a writ of habeas corpus last week. The trio are seeking to be released from detention based on various allegations of abuse. Those allegations have fueled a series of protests over in Miami by Cuban exile groups. Attorney for the three, Roger Gomez, asked the court to adjourn the matter for 2 reasons. He told the court that he received the affidavit but had to send it to an agency to be translated for his clients. A translator was in court this morning to interpret the proceedings for the men. Now Valdez and Rodriguez, who are both detained at Her Majesty's prisons, completed their resettlement interviews by the UN High Commission on Wednesday. That interview is to determine whether or not a third country was found to relocate the men. However, Parado, who was detained at the detention center, isn't scheduled for an interview until the week of August 12th. Gomez said if his client's applications are successful and they are granted status, they would withdraw the matter from the court. He asked the court to adjourn until August 21st in order to await the outcome of the interviews. Director of Public Prosecutions Vinette Graham-Allen did not object to the adjournment. Now, if the applications are not successful, Justice Bethel said a full hearing into the matter will take place on September 9th. Andrew Knowles, ZNS Network News.